హాయ్ హలో నేను దీపిక క్యాడ్నెస్ స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ సెంటర్ నుంచి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ అ వీడియో ఫర్ యూ. వీ హ్యావ్ 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో విచ్ ఈస్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ యువర్ కెరియర్ పర్పస్. సో ఈ వీడియోలో 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంది బేస్డ్ ఆన్ అకౌంట్స్. సో మీరు ఇది నేర్చుకుంటే మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూ టైంలో లేదు ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైంలో క్రాక్ చేసేదానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో హియర్ వి గో విత్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. So question number 1, that is accounting provides data or information on option A, income and cost for managers, B, financial conditions of the institution, C, company's tax liability for a particular year, and D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D is the correct answer. It provides information for tax, also about institutions and all. Then we have here the next question, question number 2, that is long term assets without any physical existence but possessing a value are called intangible assets, fixed assets, current assets, and then investments. So and the answer is option A, intangible assets is the correct answer. Here we go with the third question. The assets that can be easily converted into cash within a short period, that is 1 year or less than, are known as current assets, fixed asset, intangible assets, and investments. So the answer is option A, current asset is the correct answer. Here we go with the fourth question. Copyrights, patents, and trademarks are examples of current assets, fixed assets, intangible assets, and investments. And the answer is intangible assets is the correct answer. Here we go with the fifth question. The debts which are to be repaid within a short period, a year or less, are referred to as current liabilities, fixed liabilities, contingent liabilities, and all of the above. And the correct answer is option A, current liability is the correct answer. Here we go with the next question, question number 6. Gross profit is a cost of goods sold plus opening stock. Option B, sales minus cost of goods sold. Option C, sales minus purchases, and option D, net profit minus expenses. And the correct answer is option B, sales minus goods sold is the correct answer. Here we go with the next question. Net profit is calculated in which of the following account? And the options are the profit and loss account, B, balance sheet, C, trial balance, and trading account. And the answer is net profit is calculated on account called profit and loss account is the correct answer. We go with the next question, question number 8. In order to find out the value of the closing stock during the end of the financial year, we do this by stock taking. We deduct the cost of goods sold from sales. We deduct opening stock from the cost of goods sold, and we look into the stock account. So in order to find out the value of the opening closing stock during the end of the financial year, what we do is, the option is, correct answer is, we do this by stock taking. Without stock we can't do that, so we do this by stock taking. Here we go with the next question, question number 9. Which of these best explains fixed asset? Option A, are brought to be used in business, are expensive items bought for the business, are items which not wear out quickly, and option D, are of long life and not purchased specifically for resale. Which of the best example explains the fixed asset? So and the options are here, and the correct answer is are of long life and not purchased specifically for resale. Okay, the next question and the last question is, the charges of placing commodities into a saleable condition should be charged to Option A, trading account. Option B, profit and loss account. Option C, balance sheet. And option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is profit and loss account. Option B is the correct answer. So here we have done with the 10 questions along with options and answers. So I hope this will be useful for your knowledge and also for your career and for upcoming interviews. So all the best for your career, and thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe our CADNES YouTube channel and press bell icon for notification. Thank you.